Good standing up. Good standing well. Do you want to clap for yourself? Hmm? You want to stand up and clap? What are you doing, silly baby? This is a big box, isn't it? You would fit inside that box.
Oops, sorry, baby. Happened, huh?
Are you standing right up? Huh? Are you standing right up?
No, I just messed around with the treadmill.